Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we would learn how to solve the practice problem greatest of three numbers. So first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. So basically in this question, we are given three numbers. For example, A, B and C. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to find which among them has the highest value. For example, A has 10, B has 15 and C has 5. Now I can clearly see B has the highest value. So my result should be B. So this is what you have to do is you would be given three variables A, B and C and you need to find which among the three variables has the highest value. And this is the question. So basically we would do it in one way which is known as built-in method maths. So what I'm trying to say is I would be using a built-in method maths method. So in this method, first step would be that I would convert all the three variables given to me in form of a list. So it would be list A, B, C. So first step would be I would convert all the three variables that are given to me in form of a list. Okay. Second is that I will find the max value among the list. So in just these two steps, my entire question would be solved. Another method for doing this is using if else, but you would need to add many conditions for it. So basically this is the simplest method in which you just need to convert the given variables in form of a list and then you can find the max value of the list. So you can just complete the question in two steps. So using this method we would be solving the question now. So I hope the concept is clear to you. Now what you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, you need to scroll down in filters. Over here in the school category, basically in the difficulty category, you need to choose school. Okay. After you choose it, you need to find the problem greatest of three numbers. Okay. Once you find this problem, you need to click on solve. Now let's solve this question. Over here we have the question. Given three numbers A, B and C, find the greatest number among them. So this is the question and we would code it over here. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. Now let me zoom in a little so that it's better for you to see. Now we are given three numbers. Like I told you, we would be converting it into a list. So let's take it a list like list 1 equal to A, capital A, comma B, comma C. Okay. So I have three elements now. This is the first step. Now the second step is I need to return the max value. So it would be return space max, which is the built-in method of list 1. So it would return the max value among the elements of list 1. Now I need to check if this is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. So let's wait, it is getting compiled. Okay, so the compilation is completed and my result is matching with the expected result. So now I would submit the problem. So let's wait. Let's see if it is correct or not. See, the problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem greatest of three numbers. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching it. Thank you.